Poultry are sensitive to mycotoxins and can suffer from various toxic effects of mycotoxins. The damage caused by mycotoxins is much greater when they are combined than when they occur individually. The most important mycotoxins in poultry production are Aflatoxins, Ochratoxin A, Trichothecenes, and Fumonisins. Mycotoxins affect all poultry species, mainly causing severe immunosuppression. Its action mechanism is based on enzymatic inhibition that reduces protein synthesis and, consequently, the immune response. Mycotoxins levels causing immunosuppression in poultry are lower than those that produce typical lesions of mycotoxicosis. Immunosuppression is one of the effects of mycotoxins with greater economic impact, as it results in increased susceptibility to infectious diseases, reactivation of chronic infections, potential secondary infections, increased use of drugs, and ineffectiveness of vaccination programs. Aflatoxins are mainly immunosuppressive. Clinical symptoms include hepatic injury, body weight reduction, loss of appetite, disorders in the central nervous system in ducks and turkeys, leg weakness and relaxed wings in chicks. Blood clotting disorders, disorders in metabolites of B vitamins and amino acids, and losses of defenses. Ochratoxins are nephrotoxins and mainly affect chickens and turkeys. Clinical symptoms include kidney damage, polydipsia, increased water intake, poor quality of eggshell, reduced feed intake, decreased egg production, and immunosuppression. Trichothecenes cause significant economic losses in the poultry industry. Clinical symptoms include oral and cutaneous lesions, reduced egg weight, increased number of poor quality eggshells, immunosuppression, and decrease in weight gain. Fumonisins are associated with increased mortality in poultry and cause reduced body weight, lower daily average weight gain, and increased gizzard weight. Mycotoxins in feed are commonly detected and quantified using ELISA, chromatography, and spectrometry. The complete elimination of mycotoxin contamination seems to be practically impossible. Mycotoxins are always present, at least in small amounts, and the effects of the presence of those small amounts of diverse mycotoxins result in synergetic effects that can be greater than the sum of the individual effects that we have described for each type of mycotoxin. Prevention against mycotoxins in poultry should start with the elimination or reduction of fungal growth in plants, without forgetting the storage of grains. In addition to controlling temperature and humidity using good ventilation, it is advisable to use fungal inhibitors and to use protection against damage caused by insects and rodents. Despite all the efforts made to reduce the level of mycotoxins in feed ingredients, there is always a certain degree of contamination that may cause a risk to birds. Prevention against mycotoxins is necessary, and the use of detoxifying or adsorbing agents in poultry rations is essential. Please feel free to ask in comments. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.